The purpose of our project was to create a tree management plan for the Laying Pioneer Village Museum. This plan will act as a guide and reference for the museum to improve the biological diversity and health of trees and shrubs on their property, as well as improve safety. The plan includes information regarding the current state of trees on the property, information on tree maintenance and care, suggested species for planting, planting schedules, and budgeting. The County of Peterborough established the Laying Pioneer Village Museum with the aim to preserve and educate visitors on the rural history of the area. In line with this goal, the tree management plan also provides information which assists staff in educating visitors on the ecological history of the area. A complete survey of the trees on the property was conducted. This allowed us to identify native and non-native species and to determine which trees required pruning, were infested, were a hazard, or should be removed. Each tree on the property was recorded using a Trimble Nomad unit. For each tree, the species and health was assessed and recorded, as well as whether or not the tree required pruning, was a hazard, was infested, or should be removed. The trees were then tagged with flagging tape using the following color ID system: green for pruning, orange for hazard, red for removal, and blue for infestation. It was found that there were a number of invasive trees on the property that will require immediate removal. Additionally, over 75% of the trees on the property require pruning to ensure their lasting health and to improve the safety of the museum visitors and staff. We recommended planting where trees were deemed to be overmature, in ill health, or suggested for removal. Planting was also recommended in areas of low density. Planting in these areas will further naturalize the property and increase shaded area for visitors. Suggested species for planting were determined based on the region, soil conditions, and the park-like setting of the property. Species were also chosen with the consideration of future climate changes and for their value as landscape plants.